I love making stir fries because they're very easy to prepare. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make stir fried rice with some leftover turmeric rice. So I'm going to be using some whole spices. I love using whole spices in my stir fries because of the texture. They add a lot of texture to my rice. So I'm going to be using some black peppercorns, some fennel seed and cumin seeds. So I'm going to start off by placing a pan over medium flame and add cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to be toasting my spices. Toasting the spices is going to make the spices more fragrant. So you're going to toast for around 30 seconds. Also be careful because the seeds pop. Once the spices are fragrant, I'm going to add in some carrots and green capsicum. Also, I'm going to add in some garlic. Cook until the garlic is fragrant and the vegetables have softened up a little bit. Once everything is looking so nice, I'm going to be adding in my leftover turmeric rice. Stir in the vegetables into the turmeric rice. And oh my, this is smelling so good. Always make sure when making stir fried rice to use a non-stick pan, because if you use maybe a sufuria or a pot that is not non-stick, the rice will stick. Also, don't add any water because you're using very high flame. The rice is going to cook very fast. The whole spices have made my stir fried rice very fragrant and delicious. So I'm going to serve myself some. Making stir fried rice is very fast, so make sure to be on your A game and the outcome will be very delicious. The good thing about stir fry is that you can add any vegetables or even some proteins to your stir fry and it's going to be delicious. So thank you so much for watching and I hope you'll make this delicious stir fry rice recipe.